Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Open your computer book. We are doing lesson 3, queries, forms and reports. Open page number 51. I have explained you before about tables and queries. These are the 4 objects of MS Access. Tables and queries I have told you in the previous videos. Now in this video I will explain about forms and reports. Let's do first forms. Forms in MS Access. Let's read the topic. Creating a data entry form. A form is a representation of data in a table in an easy to understand format. Form allows you to view, enter, modify or delete data in one record at a time in a table. To create a form, open a table in a database and follow the steps shown in figure. I hope you already have created one table in your database. Then first of all you will create one table if you have not created, and then open the table in database. Now follow these steps. For creation of form, you will click on the create tab. In the create tab there is a form option. In the forms group, click on the form option. When you click on the form option, for the fee table it will create fields like this, and it has a records in the boxes. You can also, if you want to update that record, you can also change the record. It will save in your table. And if you want to change the format of form, then you can also change it. How to change? You will just move that field to another location. It will change the location like this. You can change the size of text boxes. And at the bottom there is a navigation bar. There is a record navigation bar. You can move to the first record. You can move to the last record, move to the previous record, next record, and you can also add a new record by using this navigation bar. Here is some options. Like this first icon is for move to the first record. Next icon is for the previous record. If you want to show the previous record, you will click here. The other side there is a first icon, that is for the next record. If you want to move to the next record, you can click here. Next icon is for move to the last record. If you want to move to the last record, then you will click here. And the last option is for the new record. If you want to create a new record, you want to add one more record in table, then click here. Then form will open. You can add record, and when you submit it, it will save in the table, in the fees table. This is for now how to create reports in MS Access. Creating reports. Just like you have created a form for presentation, MS Access gives you an option of creating reports. Reports are created to analyze the data entered in a table. The data is analyzed to calculate results. To create a report, follow the steps shown in figure. Now how to create report? Report is created like a form. It gives you all the information. For creating report, you will click on the create option. In the create option, there is a report create tab, and there is a report option in the reports group. You will click on the report. When you click report, it will create a report for the fee table like this. Here on the top, it will show the field's name, and bottom it will show all the records. There is also navigation bar. If so many records are there, you can navigate. So I hope you have understood how to create forms and how to create report. These are very easy. Next is saving a database. How to save our database? All tables, queries, forms and reports created in the database are shown in the navigation pane. At the left side there is a navigation pane. You can move to the queries, forms, report. You can open anything easily by using navigation pane. You can quickly open a database object by double clicking on it in the navigation pane. The database also need to be saved. You can use a database by following the steps. How to save the database? First of all, click on the File tab. In the File tab, there is option Save Database As. When you click on Save Database As option, one box will open. Look at here. First of all, click on the File tab, then Save Database As option. When you click on Save Database As, one dialog box will open. It will ask all open object must be closed before you save the database. Means if the table, query, form, report, if you have opened that, then first of all you have to close it. When you close it, then you can save your database. And when you click on the Yes option, then close all the objects. Then this type of dialog box will open. You will give the name of database and then click Save. After clicking Save, your database will be saved in your computer. And remember one thing, all the database files of MS Access have extension .accdb. It will save with the extension .accdb. You have to learn it. .accdb. This is the extension of MS Access. So I hope you all have understood how to create reports and how to create forms.